How's it going, everybody? Stern Trader here, and today's video we're looking at IBIO. Crazy day pre-market, ended up selling off, and then we did get a bounce around 2 o'clock, and then hitting 258 after hours, and then selling back off, and right now it's sitting at below VWAP. VWAP's at 249 right there. So 258 will be the first resistance, and then 270, 278, and then the 290 right there. Good support at 220 as well. Go ahead and update that to 290. So a great move, great continuation from Friday's move, but then kind of a disappointing day because today, if you guys, a little double top too, so not the best chart as of right now, but today did join the Russell 2000 and 3000 index, which is great, and I did feature this on my top 3 stocks for July. But like I said, it's not July yet, but if we can break the 290, that would be great, because it double topped, and you know what happens to double top, usually it falls down. But even if it falls down, I still think there's a lot of power going into it. Once it breaks the $290, $3, little resistance all the way up to back up to 4, only a couple, 330 and 360, and then we see a push back up to 4. I think we can, if we get enough volume like we did today. It was great. It had 58 million shares of volume, 30 million more than the 10-day average, right there at 28 million. No specific news on today, but it was featured in a couple articles, which is always good. But you really want to see a new catalyst, especially about the coronavirus, about the second wave that everybody's talking about. It would be nice to get a little vaccine update for these guys. But hey, we'll have to find out. If you guys know anything, leave a comment down below and let us help us. But alright guys, little recap. Good support at 230. First resistance is right there at 260, 270, 280, and then push up to 290, and then past that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was IBIO. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for 1,200 subscribers, it means the world. Definitely leave your questions, comments, opinions, drop them down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.